Come stop it crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry.
Happy birthday, Zaire. Galingan mo palagi sa school. Take care always and God bless.
Happy birthday, my favorite stranger. Today is your day. I just want to say thank you very much for all the experiences and interaction we have been through. I'm so glad to know you. I hope you'll always have a beautiful day and always be beautiful. Don't forget about your health. Please stay healthy and happy. Once again, happy birthday to my favorite stranger. I love you so much.
Hi, Ate Zaire. Happy birthday. Be safe and be happy. We're always by your side and we love you.
They can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all.
May happy birthday sa'yo. Sana magpakabait ka, tuparin mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Tsaka magpakaati ka kasi alam mo naman, di ba? Makaati ka kay Sijan, pagpasensya mo na si Sijan kahit inaaway ka, papongan na lang. Joke lang. Yun na, happy birthday.
Hi Nice, happy birthday to you. I just want to say that I'm very very grateful to have you as my cousin. And galingan mo sa akin. Take care of yourself, friend. And good luck din para sa pag-major. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Nadia.
Hi sa ate kong maganda, happy birthday sa'yo and mag-ingat ka palagi and sana hindi ka na lagi mag-uutos sa akin.
Hi anak, happy birthday. Nagdadalaga ka na. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana tapos ka na mag-aaral mo. Wala mong boyfriend ha. Tapusin mo muna yung pag-aaral mo. Sorry sa lahat gawa ko, basta alam mo na yun. Dito lang ako anak, nang alalayan kayo. Happy birthday. Magbo-boyfriend ha. Love you.
Hey anak, happy birthday. I miss you na sobra. Wish ko ay makapagtapos kayo ng pag-aaral, kayo ng kapatid nyo. Ingatan nyo yung sarili nyo. Focus lang sa pag-aaral. Enjoy nyo lang ang buhay. Dito lang si mama, nakasupport lagi sa inyo. Lagi ko yung sinasabi sa iyo, sa inyo ng kapatid mo. Hindi ko napapahabain na alam mo naman naiyakin si mama. Mahal na mahal ko kayo sobra. I miss you. At yung gift ko, kung gusto mo pagbalik ko na lang. Doble pa. Sa inyong dalawa ng kapatid ko. Alam niyo naman, kaya ako nandito para sa inyo. Gusto ko mabigay yung mga gusto niyo. Bye! Ingat!